Welcome to my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about malware indicators and antivirus. Malware indicators. Malware variants are evolving at an incredible pace and are socially engineered to trick users into downloading them. Malware attacks can wipe out your favorite music file, pictures, videos, and documents almost instantly. Malware can lock down your computer, making it inoperable, or record our browsing activities and steal private banking details. But malware can be identified on the computer or the affected device. A computer will show certain symptoms when it gets infected with malware. It is important to know these symptoms because that will help to ensure that the detection of the presence of malware is done in time. This will help to get rid of the malicious program before it has got enough time to damage both the computer or the device and also the crucial data around. Since malware as on date remains quite evasive and hard to detect, yet some malwares give us multiple symptoms before the attacks come on. Annoying pop-up messages on the screen. Adware is a group of malware that generates these pop-ups. The main intention of adware is to gain permission that will allow it to install additional malicious software. On installation of additional software, it would delete or steal data. Computer becomes sluggish and inoperable at time. Malware programs the computer resources to operate by overwhelmingly taking up a lot of CPU and memory resources, by slowing down the computer and sometimes make it unusable. Malware uses the internet connection and at times give access to the remote hacker, which slows down the internet connection to a large extent, making difficult to browse the internet. Files are missing or deleted without knowledge. As malware infects the computer or other devices, it can change the name of its file. It can also execute applications that will transfer files from one folder to another. Some malware can even completely wipe our data storage on the computer. Malware infection systems. Pop-up galore. Sometimes the pop-up is appearing, which is an indication which the user is ignoring. Programs acting weird. Programs are acting weirdly. They are not showing up their normal behavior. Files won't open. Strange emails. Malware precaution. One of the most ingenious delivery method for malware today is by exploit kit. Exploit kits looks for weakness in the system, whether that's an unprotected operating system, a software program that hasn't been updated in month, or a browser whose security protocols aren't up to snuff. Here are some of the ways we can protect against exploits and shield the vulnerabilities. Keep your computer security up to date. Protect your computer with anti-malware, anti-software as a firewall. Set security software, browser, and operating system to download updates automatically and also back up data regularly. So, updating the operating system, browsers, and plugins are required. If there is an update to a computer waiting in queue, don't let it linger. Updates to operating system, browsers, and plugins are often released to patch any security vulnerability discovered. So while you leave those programs alone, cyber criminals can find their way in through the vulnerabilities. To protect against security flaws in mobile phone, be sure your mobile software is updated regularly. Don't ignore the new software update pop-ups even if the storage is full or battery is low. Be vigilant when downloading and installing new data. Verify that anything installed comes from known and trusted website. Ensure that browser security settings are enough to detect automatic or unauthorized downloads. That is one of the more devious way that exploit kits are delivered to the computer is through malvertising or malicious ad. We need to even click the ad to become infected, and then malicious ads can live on prestigious well-known sites. Besides keeping the software patched so that exploit kits can't do their dirty work, we can help to block the exploit from ever delivered by enabling click to play plugins. Monitor your emails. Let us not presume that even if the email seems from a company that is known and trustable, it may not be. Don't click on a link within an email. Type the address into separate browser window. Avoid opening email attachments unless absolutely certain that email is legitimate. Another top method for infection is to scam users through social engineering. Whether that's an email, as I have just explained, that looks like it is coming from your bank, say a tech support team or social media campaign, cyber criminal have gotten several tricks even for tech savvy surfers. By being aware of the several tactics, we can stay safe. Like phishing is a cybercrime mainstay, and it's successful only when readers don't pay attention or know what to look for. Check the sender's address. It is from the actual company he or she claims. Hover over links provided in the body of email. Is the URL legit? And finally, know the typical methods of communication for Typical methods of communication for important organizations. For example, the IRS will never infect you via email. Don't be careful of pop-ups. Use a pop-up blocker, else if not so chosen, make sure not to click the links that appear in pop-up window. Don't call fake tech support number. Also, tech support team, the the bane of our existence. These often involve pop-ups from fake companies offering to help you with a malware infection. How do you know if they are fake? A real security company, would never market to you via pop-up saying they believe that the computer is infected. Now, malware, how it operates. The diagram is shown stepwise. A user visits an infected website or opens an infected email in a browser. This is the first step. Second step, an exploit kit scans the company for unpatched vulnerabilities in Java or Flash plugin or software scripts that involve PowerShell processes. The exploit kit uses vulnerabilities for inserting fileless malware into Windows PowerShell or other system administration tools built into Windows. After successful installation, the fileless malware runs its payload in the available DLL. Fifth step, the malware starts its malicious activity within a legitimate process in the memory. And the last step, the attack is successfully performed. Antivirus software. Till now we have learned about virus, the definition of virus. Now we will learn about the way of protecting it, or the software which gives us protection from virus. Antivirus software, also known as anti-malware, is a computer program used to prevent, detect and remove malware. Antivirus software is a standalone application, can be standalone application or a suite of program that detects and removes viruses on computer and network. Modern day antivirus softwares also protect the devices against malware without affecting their speed and performance. With the proliferation of other kind of malware, antivirus software started to provide protection from other computer threat. In particular, modern antivirus software can protect users from malicious code, malicious browser helper object, BHO browsers, hijacker, ransomware, keyloggers, backdoors, rootkit, Trojan, virus, worm and dialers, adware and even spyware. Antivirus program, however, are not always effective against new viruses. Even those that use non-signature based methods should detect new viruses. 3 reasons for this is that the virus designer tests their new viruses on the major antivirus application to make sure that they are not detected before releasing them into the wild. Computer virus share many similarities with real life virus, which is how they got their name. But as the name suggests, antivirus software is an application or a suite of program that finds and removes viruses on computer and networks. In addition to viruses, most today's antivirus programs are also capable of detecting and removing other types of malicious software, including worm, Trojan horse, adware, spyware, ransomware, browser hijackers, keyloggers, and rootkit. Besides being able to identify and remove this threat, the best antivirus software can also prevent them from infecting the system. However, antivirus software has some drawback. First of them, which that it can implement or it can have an impact on computers' performance. Now, what are the alternatives of antivirus? Since installation of antivirus and execution of antivirus makes the speed of the machine a little bit slow. Antivirus software running on individual computer is the most common employed of guarding against malware, but it is not the only solution. Other systems can also be employed by user, including Unified Threat Management, UTM, hardware and software management, etc. The different hardware and software network firewalls, cloud-based antivirus, and online scanner. What are network firewalls? Network firewalls prevent unknown program and processes from accessing the system. Cloud antivirus is a technology that uses lightweight agent software on the protected computer while offloading the majority of data analysis to the provider's infrastructure. Some antivirus software maintain website with free online scanning capability of the entire computer, critical area only, local disk, folders, or file. Antivirus functionality. First functionality is virus detection. Primary function of antivirus software is to detect and remove computer virus. Second is system analysis. Antivirus program monitor computer for signs that system components are not functioning directly, indicating system is infected, even virus not prevent destroy. File quarantine. Ability to quarantine files without deleting them, because quarantine helps protect computer against false positive during virus scan. Threat identification. As new virus and malware threats are released, antivirus program can aid in the identification. Online security. Some antivirus programs some antivirus program is also feature and comes to help them. Threat identification. As new viruses and malware threats are released, antivirus program can aid in their identification. Online security. Some antivirus program also feature components that help in other ways to keep us safe online. Data protection. Antivirus software offers online backups of vital files that can be restored if files become infected or otherwise damaged. Some of the common antivirus also with respect to global market share is depicted as below. Avast, Microsoft, ESET, Symantec, AVG, Avira, Kaspersky, McAfee. Avast 17.4% worldwide market share, Microsoft 13.2% worldwide market share, ESET 11.1% worldwide market share, Symantec 10.3% worldwide market share, Avira 9.6% worldwide market share, Kaspersky 6.7% worldwide market share, and McAfee 4.9% worldwide market share. These are some common antivirus which are popular. These are the logos of the common antivirus. The figure depicts the major antivirus brands. Thank you for watching.